Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Erlangga Darman Aryadi, NIM 2319148. Formal approaches to SLA. Introduction. Linguistics has impact research in second language acquisition since the early days of SLA research, with virtually every theory of linguistics having had some relevance to SLA research. In this chapter, we focus our discussion of that relationship on the area of research that has dominated the theoretical study of second language acquisition over the years, universal grammar. This area of research is dealt within this chapter along with issues of phonology, typological, universal are discussed in chapter 7. Universal grammar. The UG approach to second language acquisition begins from the perspective of learnability. The assumption of innate universal language perspective is motivated by the need to explain the uniformly successful and speedy acquisition of language by children in spite of insufficient input. In this section, we deal with UG principles, UG parameters, and lexical and functional categories. Transfer the UG perspective. Conducting SLA research within a paradigm such as the one discussed in this chapter necessitates a reconsideration of the concept of transfer. The question arises, what new insight do recent linguistic approaches and in particular theoretical paradigm provide regarding the old concept of transfer? White provide detail on this issue. See notes for areas that make current views of the phenomenon of transfer truly different from earlier conceptualization, particularly those embodied in the framework of contrastive analysis. We deal with three of these areas here: level presentation, clustering, and learnability. Phonology. Another area where SLA and linguistics intersect in phonology. The study of second language phonology is not unlike other areas of second language acquisition in that it attempts to account for the pattern of knowledge and use of second language learner. In this case of pronunciation and perception, it is commonly accepted that the native language origin of second language speaker is often identifiable by his or her accent. In fact, non-native speaker pronunciation is often the source of humor, as in the case of comedian mimicking particular accent types or in cartoon character adopting non-native accent. Okay, thank you. The next is my partner.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? I would like to say thank you for you coming my presentation. It's great to see you all. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Zahari. My ID number 2319146. I'm from Group 8. I will here describe our material by detail understanding and playing second language question. Introducing understanding and applying second language question is still quite young us of study much younger than will establish disciplines such as psychology or sociology. Well, there has always been an interest how people acquire a second language. This systematic study too. A question did not start until the 1990 and 16 when Chomsky critique of Skinner, verbal behavior, liberated research. From what Larson Freeman termed the bondage of behaviorism, making it possible to investigate language learning as a cognitive enterprise. The boundaries of SLA, what constitutes of boundaries of second language acquisition, is perhaps the area of greatest contention as we behave position as the cognitive perhaps. Amend constructs an aggression as taking place inside the mind of learning. The goal of second language acquisition, given the dispute, the boundaries of the disciplines. It's not surprising that that is also a nuclear agreement. Even the goal of SLA, for much a history of the disciplines, the goal has been description and explanation of how people acquire a second language. Applying SLA, let's say the origins of second language acquisition lay in a ways to improve language pedagogy just about the early figure in second language acquisition. We are at the one-time teacher of language teacher education. Next, the conclusion, the second language acquisition, introducing and applying, and conclude the first education of understanding second language acquisition with the comment there is consensus about the overall direction that second language acquisition research follow. If anything, the epistemological difference that divide cognitive and social second language acquisition both with regard to theoretical positive and to research methodology are greater than ever. Okay, thank you very much for you all because you're listening. We have shall be beneficial for all of you. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.